always realized when I went into his office, I was going to get my butt eat in. I'm sorry. But I wasn't going to say that, was I? Anyway, now what I'm going to say to y'all is he had a famous saying that I think all of you need to realize. I've sat here and watched group, and I've watched network marketing and this and that. And I never will forget, I was sitting in that room with me and Wilbur and Ken, and he said something that always really, I thought, that's the deal. As he says, whatever you do and like to do, if you want to be successful, just do a lot of it. And he said, you'll be successful in the end. And you know, that rung a bell with me. But I'm going to tell all of you something, and I'm going to do this right now, and I'm going to pass this because I hadn't done it. And some of you have heard me say it. Because they tell me I sound like a guy that's a comedian, and I should have had his job instead of him having mine. That's get her done.